All around the world, legends of days gone by lurk in garages and units, holding memories of the glory days in high regard. Some of the people who create them still live on as the heartbeat of the community, and their stories inspire the next generation. That doesn't mean their days are gone. Times may change and the legend lives on, but just in a new form. Today we look at Popeye and his DB8 Integra Type R, a name known by many in the Florida car community. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy.
What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Florida with an old friend and a DB8 you might recognize if you're an old school viewer. If not, don't worry, we're going to deep dive into this build very shortly with the legend, the man, the myth, the owner of this car called Popeye. But first, let me just educate you a little bit on the DB8, because you probably know the Integra as that one.
The DB8 Integra Type R is the Type R fit for a family straight from the 90s. The DB8 is mechanically exactly the same as the DC2 Type R. The extra two doors make it much more functional for a family household. With only just over 5,000 of these produced exclusively for the Japanese, this makes the DB8 very hard to come by now if you are in the market for a Japanese car in 2024. The engine is a 1.8 double overhead cam VTEC, which you would find in the DC2, with a 5-speed gearbox sharing the same gearing as the DC2 Type R. This makes the DB8 a certified ripper. At home, on the street and the track, the iconic 90s Recaro interior, this car is simply one for the ages. Now, let's have a little look around Popeye's.
We need some 621 shirts, right? T-shirts?
I'll bring some for you next time. Popeye, welcome back to the channel, my man. How are you doing, first off? It's been a long time since I've had the camera in front of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's been 8 years since we did the video on the car.
8 years, and it's had a few little changes. The sun is out, and it'd be rude not to redo a video, I'd say.
Yes, sir.
So,
yes, sir.
talk us through this beautiful car, because you got this in the country before it was technically allowed in the country, right?
Yes.
Are we allowed to talk about it? Cut. Talk to me about
it. It came through the Marine Corps.
Yeah, through the Marine Corps. So it's a legal car.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. So, sir, talk to me about the car. Let's talk about it. You've had it a long time now. How long are we saying now?
Since 2010.
2010, so 14
2010, 11.
Love that, and love that. And it's such a special car. Let's talk about it. So the DB8 is a four-door
Integra Type R. Hard top, that's what I call it. Hard top. It has no sunroof or nothing. It's the wheels. I got the Blitz now with some Falcons.
What model Blitz are they? Do you know?
01.
01s, yeah?
Blitz 01.
And they're the two-piece match body color. They look absolutely beautiful. And it is a cool thing that, even though this is a super rare car, you, like you say, you use this on track.
Yes,
now,
sir.
I've got to ask, which tracks have you been to?
I've been to, first we went to Wisconsin. That's our Raw America. And then we went to Gingerman, that's in Michigan. VR, Virginia, to this farm. And last we went to Savannah, to Roman.
And have you got a favorite out of those?
My favorite? Raw America.
Excellent.
And VR, Raw American VR.
Awesome, man, awesome. And how does the car get reacted to out here? Because it's obviously like a rare car everywhere. So does the reaction from other people, are they buzzing? Like, are they really happy when they see it? Are they surprised?
Yes, yes. There was one guy, he's a photographer too. It was in Savannah. He never seen it, he never seen a full door either on the Type R. I think he had an EG, or I forgot about it. EP3, that's what he has, an EP3. And he went crazy with the car. He never seen a full door Type R. And it's a special car.
It is a special car. So let's talk about some of the mods. You say you've changed the suspension since I last saw you.
Yes, I got BC Racing suspension. And I think that was it. I got stuck right there for a second.
We've got the BC Racing coilovers that you said about. If anybody wants a set of them, you can hit me up. I'm a BC Racing dealer over in the UK. Very special front bumper.
Mugen bumper.
This is a genuine Mugen front bumper. Now, I dread to think what this might be worth, and that you still use it on track.
Yes, sir.
But it's a, there we go, it's got the genuine Mugen badge on. That is a very rare item right there. For
yes, sir.
Any of the Honda collectors, Honda guys out there, that is a oh, chef's kiss type bit. The Blitz look absolutely amazing. I love that we've got Nick's DC2 Type R over in the background too, just to show you the comparison of the two cars. They look so awesome together.
Oh, I also before I had the side skirts.
Oh yeah, of course you did. You put the OEM side skirts back on.
OEM side skirts, yes.
I have to admit, I prefer these. I prefer the OEM ones because they were PLI before, were they?
PCI.
PCI, yeah. So yeah, I definitely prefer this more OEM look. And you're saying you might put the OEM bumper back on soon?
Yes, I'll be putting the OEM bumper because I got some special wheels I'm going to be putting on.
And hopefully
soon.
I didn't get them anywhere and I'll have had to edit them out. So here we are, B18C under here. Talk me through some of the spec because you've got some beautiful bits in here.
Yes, I changed the headers and I got some Speed Factory bolts right here. And for the valve cover.
Got the Kevlar on there too.
Yes, sir. And the
strap.
Mugen bumper.
Mugen intake here.
I mean, Mugen intake,
Yeah, the Mugen intake here looks absolutely predominant in that engine bay.
And that thing sounds, when the VTEC hits, that thing sounds really good.
Really beautiful, really beautiful. It's such a, one thing I love, I think as I'm getting older, maybe it is just me, me and my age getting older, but I love seeing the OEM stuff still, you know, how it would have been in the late 90s, early 2000s. It's such a pleasure for me. I really enjoy seeing it. It's a great thing. And it's a fantastic example of a car you've got here. You also got the tow hook down there. Is that Jay's
That's
Racing?
a J Racing. And I got the signature. It's on the bottom. You cannot see it's on the bottom because I got it upside down. Because when I put the Mugen bumper on, I have to flip it upside down.
Oh, okay, okay. So to fit through the gap, yeah. So inside the car, we have the stunning black Recaro seats. They're in amazing condition as well, aren't they? They just are such a beautiful seat. I love them so much. Coming around here, what steering wheel is this?
So Momo.
A Momo steering wheel with the, is that an NSX Type R
NSX,
back?
yep.
There you go, look at me. That's on the nerds, look at that. Got the NSX Type R horn just there, along with the K-Tune shifter. Do you mind if I get a little close up of the old K-Tune shifter in there? Look at that, that is beautiful. With the, you went for the black gear knob because I know you've got a few of them, right?
Yes.
That is beautiful. And then I've just noticed something else pop by.
Oh, something rare? The Mugen cluster?
Something very, very, very expensive. In there is a Mugen cluster. I dread to think what that is worth nowadays. That is going to be worth probably more.
That Mugen cluster, it was zero mileage when I got it.
Really?
And I was like, man, why are you going to use it? It's like, man, just use it.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Just use it. I mean, when I got it, it was 0 miles, nothing on it.
Wow, that is so cool. So I just want to explain to people how rare that is. This is in, like, I would say borderline insanity level of rare that's in that car right now. As a Honda collector, car parts collector, that is incredible. That is incredible to see. And the fact that you use it, I love that. Actually, something I just noticed, the doors are pillarless.
Yes.
Wow, that's cool.
And
Is
when
the rear the same?
when this windows go down, if you've seen it, it doesn't go all the way down.
Oh, does it not?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. That is awesome. We can get a better look actually with the door open of these Recaro seats, how absolutely pristine these are. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So obviously the side profile of the DB8 compared to the DC2 is where the car really differs the most. But by no means is it a bad look. It's a very unique Type R. I absolutely love it. I love seeing it. I love that they carried on with the Type R spoiler though. I'm glad they didn't remove that on the four-door. And you've got a gurney flap on there too?
Gurney flap. And I have so people ask me where I got it from. And the guy who did it, he's not making it no more.
He's not, no?
No.
No, it looks absolutely awesome. And then what exhaust do you run on here?
That's an Apex.
Apex.
Apex or Apexi?
Apexi.
Apexi.
Apexi is it an N1?
N1.
Yeah. What's the future for this beautiful car?
I don't know yet.
Come on, give us a little secret. Come on. You don't have to tell us exactly what, but a little hint.
I already told you guys probably this earlier. I don't know, probably do a case swap or something.
Really? That's cool.
I know. Probably people are gonna be like, "Oh, case swap? Why? It's original." I said, right now, B series are getting so expensive.
So expensive.
And I want to save that motor right there.
Well, I don't think a K would look out of place in this at all. I think it would look awesome.
I mean, and I think it's gonna help the car too. It's a 4-door. I mean, right now the B series, it's getting old. I don't know, it's getting old. It's getting tired. So probably something refreshed, something like a K series. I don't know, probably work on the car.
I think that would be absolutely amazing. Now, are we going to get any chance to go out in the car and get some rollers or anything like that?
Yeah, if you want, yeah.
I think we should do that. I think that both of these cars deserve to be seen rolling around. Obviously, we can do a bit of a comparison here. We've got Nick's absolutely gorgeous DC2, and then your absolutely gorgeous DB8. I love it, man. Thank you so much for showing us around it again.
You're welcome.
But I'd love to hop in.
Love to see you. Happy to see you again.
Oh man, you know me. I love being here, dude. Love being it. And remember, if anyone sees this coffee bar, Catalina's coffee bar, come and see this happy man, and he will make you an amazing coffee.
Yep, it's cafecito time.
Definitely, man. Definitely. It was super great getting Popeye's DB8 back on the channel and the man himself. I've had a fantastic day in Florida and I really hope you like the footage we've got for you. But until next time, please make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Or go watch one of my old ones, that would be much appreciated too. See you guys later.